Love affairs of Hrithik Roshan. Superstar Hrithik tied knot in a very sudden way, and the whole media was shocked as Hrithik was very young that time. Being a family man, Hrithik got involved with many other relationships also. He got involved in not once or twice but 4 times in his life. First love of life, Suzanne Khan. Hrithik fell in love with his first love in a very filmy style. Hrithik knew his first wife Suzanne from his childhood but fell in love with Suzanne in a traffic signal. It was really love at first sight, as Hrithik was sure that he would marry the girl someday, and he did. After dating for a year, Hrithik finally proposed his lady love Suzanne Khan. After releasing Hrithik's first film Kaho Na Pyar Hai, both tied knot in traditional way in Bengaluru. Suzanne has been a great supporter and Hrithik's best friend throughout his life. Unfortunately, their relationship ended with divorce. This celebrity couple of B-Town parted their ways in 2014 after staying 17 years together. Kareena Kapoor Khan. After getting married to Suzanne, Hrithik got involved with his female co-star Kareena Kapoor. During their film shoot, Hrithik and Kareena got close together and started dating secretly. Shockingly, Kareena's mom Babita found them in an intimate situation in a locked room. After this incident, their families came between them and sorted this matter quietly. Hrithik's father Rakesh Roshan warned Hrithik about his extramarital affair. Barbara Mori. Barbara Mori was the second co-star of Hrithik with whom he was in extramarital relationship, and the news went viral in media. Hrithik and Barbara had many intimacy scenes in their film Kites, and during shooting, Hrithik fell in love with this foreign beauty. His ex-wife Suzanne got to know the news and wanted to leave Hrithik's house. Hrithik's extramarital affair ended with their film Kites. Kangana Ranaut. This is the most controversial and nasty love affair in Bollywood. Hrithik again got involved with bold actress Kangana. They met during the shooting of Krish 3 and started dating each other. Kangana was very serious about this relationship and wanted to marry him. But Hrithik never confirmed his relationship in public because he was married then. After so many verbal fights and controversies, their relationship finally ended. After this incident, Suzanne left Hrithik with their 2 sons and filed divorce case against him.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.